Okay, we're coming up on Main Street Station. It's Friday night. Let's hope that it's crowded so people will watch this video. Some of you people don't like to watch unless it's a lot of people. I'm not sure why, but it is what it is. So, Friday night, probably already shut down the buffet because, like, for old people, it's 4 till 9. Ooh, all you can eat prime rib. Jesus H. Louise. Small baby Jesus. That's all you can eat prime rib. God, your stomach would be in knots for months. Dinner Friday and Saturday. $29.95. All you can eat. All you can eat prime rib. Jeez. That's fantastic. Come on, let's have a crowd in here. It's the most beautiful casino in Vegas. Main Street Station. Welcome. Yeah, it's not a lot of marble. It's not a lot of hoopla. It's just a lot of old-fashioned architecture. Beautiful, beautiful architecture. It's doing pretty good. Not bad at all. I got 2 smiles in case you didn't notice. That's pretty good. How many did you get? Alright, here we go.
How did you know I'd be at the back?
Ooh, look at those shrimp. Oh my God, those are huge. What's that? Clams. Spaghetti and meatballs. That's always good. What is that? Beef tips. That's probably really good. looking chicken, mashed potatoes, ribs, barbecue ribs. That's the prime rib right there. Right there, that's the prime rib. Sausage, chicken, rolls. Don't fill up on the rolls, put those in your pocket. Ooh, look at that fried chicken. Looks pretty good, really. I like the skin, the fish stuffing. You stay away from that stuffing. It'll make you as sick as a dog. Enchilada, chicken fajita, rancho beans, Mexican corn, taco. I'm gonna put some of those refried beans in my pocket, off camera, of course. I don't want any proof. Spring roll, chow mein, mixed vegetables, sweet and sour pork. That's probably pretty good. Put a couple of those in my pocket. So chicken, white rice. Only certain chefs know how to make white rice. Otherwise, it sucks. You try to make rice at home, it's really difficult. Okay, so this is the buffet. This is the best look I've had of it. I came in here unobstructed. I had to step on a few children to get in here, but you didn't hear that from me. Ooh, red pudding. This is absolutely disgusting. Yeah, that's cheese. Not that. I could eat that whole thing and then I could die. And no one would care. We'd call a helpline. Okay, that's it. How beautiful is this buffet? I think it's a good buffet. Prime rib looked pretty good. I would, try to get the rarest part of that prime rib, and then get the most burnt part of the prime rib for the bites. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was a good review, I have to admit. I'm like Jim Rome. I had to pat myself on the back. It was a really good interview. I showed you everything in there. You should probably super thanks me. It's easy. Just click on that thanks button. Strange to see them dealing in here, isn't it? 15. So they do have waitresses out here, and they are getting them from this bar. Now, on the weekday, even though they have that bar open on a weekday, I still see the waitresses going over to California to get the drinks. I could be wrong. They might have been going over there to see a boyfriend.
How did you know I'd be at the fashion?
See, this bar is not even open on the weekday. Or if it is, it's limited hours. Okay, they're the hours right there. 4 to 9. And only open till 12 on Friday and Saturday. Oh, Jesus, H. Louise's. You gotta try harder than that. Okay, this is weird. It's a Boyd property. This place is basically only open 2 nights a week, and they're closed. It's not 2 o'clock in the morning. I think it's only 9 o'clock. Jeez. I'm gonna show you this. This is not weird at all.
I could. You do?
I have.
Look at the woodwork in here for the elevators. Incredible. Probably nobody else respects this except me. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Tried to show you the bathroom, but there was 2 very drunk people in there and they ruined my video. Luckily my lawyer's with me and he's getting their names right now. I want to stand back a little bit. Probably get a couple $1 million settlement from those guys. They have Geico insurance, so that's good. Look, they got real keys. Look at that. Real keys. You gotta carry around a key that weighs 35 pounds.
Yeah.
Because when they give it to you, they tie it to a hubcap so you won't lose it. I used to win on this when it was active. I won $3,000 on that machine right there. It was in, I thought it was at the Golden Gate. I think it was 1806. I used to win everything in the 1800s. train. The rooms are good. This over here is like about banquet hall. Nothing to see there. But the rooms at Main Street Station are worth, see a good price, get it. It's a good location. Most nights you're going to walk over to California to play. That's okay. That's what everybody does. But that's what it is, Main Street Station. I gave you a free tour of the buffet. I normally don't include that. Alright, that's it for Main Street Station.